Hey guys, I am back. This is part 2 of the AFRAM 2025 in Baltimore, Maryland, where Black Americans, African Americans, a bunch of them gathers here. I cannot say it is the first time I see so many black people, but definitely I am in my element here. With my own kind, you see, blacks everywhere. I mean, if I have to do a head count, I think there are probably close to 40,000 people here gathering, eating, family, kids. You know, this is a family event here. So this is the second part. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to give you an overview of what's going on here, and then later on go in front of the stage and see exactly if I can give you a little bit of the performances going on there. So I may not stay until 9 o'clock because so many people are here, and I don't want to get up, caught up with the melee if we have to leave around 9 o'clock. So probably around 8 o'clock, then I will leave, and then probably come back tomorrow. I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I am so happy I am here, and then that gives me some kind of a perspective when it comes to doing streaming. I have all the equipment, but that doesn't mean that the equipment are truly set up for streaming. Although I am streaming live on TikTok, but because there are so many people around here, the cell phone tower cannot really withstand the Wi-Fi strength to push the TikTok signal out. I was doing YouTube, and then midway, I have to shut down my YouTube feed. So therefore, I'm going to have to go back and then go to the drawing board and see if I can get the satellite, the mini, Starlink mini. Probably that will give me a better chance. So when I do my TikTok live, when I do my Facebook, my YouTube, my Twitch live, because I want to stream in all those platforms, but therefore using the 5G network is not enough. Specifically when you have, Nico, show them, when you have so many people around here. Matter of fact, there was a guy who asked me for my number, and I gave him the QR code so he can get all my information. He could not even log in because of the latency of the Wi-Fi signal. So as I said, I am trying my best to do TikTok, but in order for me to push this one here, I have to do it 720 AP instead of 1080, not even HD. Forget 4K. Then I'm recording offline, and then later on I will load it on my TikTok page and my YouTube page, and then you will see the real footages and then the interview. I'm going to try to talk to some people. All right, Nico, let me take over now. Now, Nico is the one in charge of the photo. And then if you guys go to my Instagram pages, you will see a bunch of pictures later on we are going to load. Then you are going to have so much fun watching these pictures here. So far, Nico have taken around like 200 pictures so far. And I don't know how many he wants to capture, but so far Nico loves taking videos. And then me, this is my passion, doing videos, and that's what it is. So guys, you should see. I want to give you an overview of what's going on, and then you can see a lot of people. Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, a lot of people here having fun. A bunch of young kids enjoying it, and this is the atmosphere here. Nico, stay close to me. All right? If I have to do some interviews, I want you to hold the camera for me. All right? So, one of the things is that there is an Asian booth. Not booth, I mean, there were some Asians who were sitting earlier, and then I was talking to them, and I told them I will be back to ask them questions, you know, and do some interviews. If I see them, I will probably sit down and have a tete-a-tete. So forgive me, guys, if my TikTok feed is not as strong as it should be, but I'm trying my best to give you a good views of what's going on. And you can see the views. You can see the views. People start coming.
Okay. What up, Baltimore? Y'all having a good time tonight?
Yeah.
Y'all ready for the 99 and 2000? Yeah!
They start coming here.
It ain't that time yet. It
People
ain't that
start
time
coming.
yet. Now we gonna pay some bills. We gotta thank
Making
all
sure
the folks outside
I
the
get
city that helped
everybody.
put this on today. So I'm gonna bring out all of our sponsors forward to the stage. We're gonna recognize all of them
Wow.
right now. We're gonna call them out right now.
Wow.
The West North Avenue Development Authority.
I did not get exactly the exact spot where they are of Gade.
Bank of America.
Guys, you can see. Let me get a little bit further up
Reginald F. Lewis.
so you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
A little bit further up, guys.
Albia got hands. Albia got hands. Can't buy these things
Ooh.
on Amazon. Kaiser Permanente. Yeah. And last but not least,
Wow.
our media sponsor.
Ooh.
Make some noise for WJZ TV.
So I'm trying to give you as much leeway, you know. Now this is the Asian crew now.
All right. We also want to thank, hold on, JJ. We also want to thank Bit Wine, Maryland.
So this is my Asian crew now. I have come for some interviews. Who wants to talk to me?
Urban One, somebody love Tito's.
Okay, let me get through here. Politician. Hold on. Oh, ma pose une question. Oh. Qui t'aime pose une question? You live on TikTok?
I'm live.
Oh, you live? Oh, tu mènes là? Où peut parler? Oh, j'en t'ai que t'en parler pour parler là. Hein? Vous pensez que je vais être lié? Qu'est-ce que ça nous montre? Nico!
To the front gate.
We are on TikTok!
They got the 360 camera out.
All right. All right, Sam, welcome to Sabunula. All right, sit down now. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Ready to see Jeffrey.
Let's talk. Woo. So, comment est? Et comment est le même? Quel est le microphone non mon?
Woodens Vital.
Hein?
Woodens Vital.
Within Vital.
Yeah, Woodens
Et
Vital.
le Baltimore habite même?
Donc là,
Le Baltimore habite même?
New Jersey.
Oh,
M'rete là.
c'est vrai tout.
Ouais.
New Jersey.
Côté.
Man à la peine.
Oh, Trenton.
Vous venez là chaque année dans ça?
Maybe over here. 3 years ago. So, not chaque année, but
Ok.
convenient.
Vous venez avec toute famille là?
Yeah, so c'est tous les amis là, dans New Jersey, les amis le collège, c'est fait là. So all tous amis so des groupes amis.
So tant ça nous venez avec.
Exactly.
Alright, ça vous venez tout préparé.
Ça?
Vous venez tout préparé.
Ok. Nous get des têtes, get coulées, nous get glow, nous get paquet bagaille.
Et manger, vous mangez tout?
Nous manger, nous finir.
Oh.
But
Ah, Yann Jean.
Okay.
Manger ici.
oh, nous pas manger haïtien. Nous pas manger haïtien.
Ah, qui a sous marié? Avec un Américain?
Non, non. Madame moi c'est haïtien.
Eh, mais pourquoi vous manger ici?
Non, mais nous pas comme ça. Petit.
Petit.
So, nous pas coûte. Nous coûte belle manger haïtien.
Ok. Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout. Elles sont confortables par l'anglais tout. Okay. Now we're going to transition to English.
Okay, perfect.
Because I'm trying to reach as much
Yeah.
I want them to understand what's going on.
Yeah.
So what is your first impression of this?
Oh, I love it, man. I love the culture. I love Baltimore. I've been here 10 years. when I first came, I came for school,
Okay.
and I never left.
You never left.
So I have 2 degrees, pursuing a 3rd degree. I have a non-profit I work with in Baltimore,
Okay.
so I love the city.
Okay.
Yeah.
So definitely, my first impression is that while there were so many black people here,
Yeah.
how come we Haitian, we do not represent?
You know, honestly, it's because the Haitians don't come together enough. So when I first came to Baltimore, I didn't even know that we had so many Haitians here.
We do?
We have a good amount. So like Community IET is a group that works in Baltimore full of Haitians.
Okay.
They host a festival every August at Patterson Park. But I didn't know about them until my 8th year in Baltimore.
Every August.
Every August.
Do you know the date?
Huh?
Do you know the date? Exactly
Right now, I don't know the date. I can get it for you though.
Yeah, before I leave, I want to have your contact and send them to me.
Yeah.
Because my job
Oh yeah.
is to go all over.
Every August, Comité de Haïti, Patterson Park, the Haitian Festival. Haitian band, Haitian food, Haitian vendors. It's a great time.
All
But
right.
again, I didn't know about it until my 8th year here.
Every year, wow.
Yeah, and I found out from it. So I used to do events in Baltimore, right? So I met a brother who does real estate. We were talking. He said, "Oh, I'm Haitian. Oh, I said blah blah blah." He told me about it.
He told me about it.
He's like, "Oh yeah, I have a committee. I do work." I'm like, "Oh really? I didn't know. I didn't even know the Haitians were here."
Okay.
You know what I mean? So after that, I got connected with him and then the committee. And I've been going to their festival every year. Again, I've been there probably 3 of the last couple years. And because I didn't know about it, it's him that taught me.
So are you going to do both days? You coming back tomorrow?
Well, I'm not coming back tomorrow. So me and my guys got to visit one of my good brothers. He's married, 2 kids. He's not here today. So we're going to visit him and his wife in Laurel.
Okay.
So we're not coming tomorrow, but we got fun today.
Yeah, because I heard that tomorrow will be Paxi Label.
Oh yeah, tomorrow for the old people.
Old people.
Patty LaBelle, 30, 40, 50. That's who's going to be here.
I don't know if I'm going to make it tomorrow, but definitely I am so proud and so happy to see so many black.
Yeah.
I think that I'm in my element here.
Yeah.
And you know-
Look at the time, man. Look. This is beautiful.
Yeah, and you're talking about family.
The
The way that they portray us in
Yes.
the media,
Yes.
that we black, we are like single motherhood, single this, single
Exactly,
that. That's not
exactly.
what I see.
Exactly. It's a great time. Look at this.
Yes,
Family, love.
yes,
Well, somebody win.
yeah.
Somebody will allow it.
Madame, oh, mbal avec lui, vini. Madame mariée. Lui, vini, non, on va venir parler, il vient parler. Yeah. Oh, où peut caméra, madame mariée? So, c'est 100 000 qui là. Madame mariée, vini, dis-moi 2 mots, vini pour Tichida.
He came back for an interview for real.
I come for the food now, but madam, microphone now.
What's up, dog? What's up, boss?
You told me to come back for the food.
I know I don't have any more. I have one more.
Huh?
I have one more for you.
Ha ha.
Miguel. Ooh, Savon.
So what did it?
Salmon, gelatin, herbs, cheese. Very, very good. It's a little slider.
Oh, it's a slider.
It's a slider. Yeah. It's a salmon slider. She made it.
Okay. Pour que ça next time we va go bouffe. Et puis nous faisons comme ensemble.
It's good.
Ma bébé vesti, oui.
It's good, man. It's good. I promise you.
Nico, ouvre le bagage. Après des bouts, oui. Nico était dans la caméra.
It's good. Yeah, take
I'll leave you
take a
one.
bite. Take a bite, man. The flavor, right? That's a little flavor.
Ou kon ka di ya tunjo?
Yes.
La lo griyo.
And
Ba yeah.
next time,
Next time.
he wanted you to make it here. I'm like, nah. For here, nah.
Okay, bon parade now.
Oh, God.
What is your first impression here?
Woo! We game Soup Moon. So many people. Okay. There's so many people here. It's good. It's good. It's good vibes. Good time. We here enjoying each other. You know, it's a good time. I'm having a good time.
Il y a first time visited it?
Yeah.
So the first time you knew about it?
Yeah, the first time. He lives here. He lives here.
So you
So.
don't know about it?
Yes.
Do you can to come next year?
What?
Next year, do you can to come here?
The next year? I'll come next year.
You think you have next year?
They need to have a Haitian artist. Haitian artist. They need to have a Haitian artist on there.
We should.
For compa.
We should have it like a DJ.
They say compa. Okay, compa next time.
Next year, we supposed to have our own booth. Cooking food.
Oh, yeah.
You know how to cook well.
Tell us about.
She's a cook.
She's a good cook.
One of the best.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, what do you want to say to my viewers?
I want to say that we're having a great time. Shout out to every Haitian. Okay, we are having a great time and we're out here. Yes.
Listen, shout out to the Haitian culture. Make sure.
Why don't you drink that one, Bedu? Why don't you drink? Nigga. Ah, bon.
Listen, shout out to Haitian culture. Shout out to the productions. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Enjoy Afram, baby. Have a great time, my boss.
Happy Sunday.
Of course.
Haitian for life.
Haitian for life. Know that.
Good morning.
Harlem Productions.
I'm going to give you my contact.
Oh, yeah.
Nico, let me say contact me. My contact me. Bon tout temps, mais nous n'avons pas mangé là. Là, les gens qui sont côté, ils viennent avec nous. Pas comme des gars là.
To the largest African American music festival on the East Coast, ladies and gentlemen. Afram 2025, DJ Reds. Keep it cool. Trying to get please. Okay. Said you want to dance real high. Go.
That's very nice, though.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Spin that night in. Whoa.
Bon, vous prenez? Hein? Non, ouais, j'ai ma partenaire. Pas besoin de l'aime.
True.
Hein?
True. Hey, fellas.
Just text me. Because I'm on TikTok now, I won't be able to text you. Text me and then I'll talk to you later. Right? We'll start you in New Jersey. We'll meet sometime. Because I have a nice project.
That's right. I see the little Kim
In
fan.
January,
I see the real
I plan to go to Brazil.
I see you over there.
It's gonna be a network, a club. When you be a member of it, you can bring your wife. Luxury. That's what I'm doing. That is why I'm doing all this. To connect with my people.
I'll let you know, man. I'll be there.
Okay. All right. Let's go. You both, I boys, I can tell you that, don't you? Back when. I'm alley. Hey, come on, get that. Come on, mama. Baby.
Y'all sound so good.
My dear, who been playing back by myself? I'm going to buy boom boom.
Oh, okay. You want to
No, she. Okay, thank you. Hey, back there. I'll talk to your husband, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I have a big project for Brazil.
Oh.
And I would love you guys to be part of it.
Yes. Yes. You have his contact? Okay.
All right, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Right? Yeah, go. Go.
Listen,
Ou ton loin là. Wally me faire photo. Faire photo madame Nino. Hey, Heidi. Picture. Go. Picture. On the picture. Ça c'est haïtien yo. On prend femme ba yo. Yo bon mauvais qui charge éclairé là-dedans. Hey guys, I don't really drink much. On prend pas tête me clair. Quand on est sérieux là. Et ni pas boire, m'ba boire. Nico cap faire photo. Et même moi des petits jus. Et belle bagarre, oui, men. Là où on vit avec peur pour men. Haïtien, on est très content. You get it? All right. Thank you. All right, let's go. Ouvre ça, moi, chérie. Oh, non. Maintenant, c'est ça. Ah, ben, mon client est sérieux là. Vous voyez sous nom, là, Nico?
Okay, Ed.
OK. On a le devant. On a monté mon yo et puis après ça, on met dehors. Hein? Right there. Okay. I do. Now don't tell me I'm for
Everybody, if you don't know, now you know. This Owl City right here.
Can we act like we got the family reunion?
I get nice
All
now.
out of town is welcome. If you visit us today from
You want a good picture?
to the real Baltimore.
Is it safe? Is it safe?
Oh, here you go. Where you going to go?
I'm not about to play with y'all out here.
Okay.
Are y'all ready for these vibes right here?
That's you, me.
What is heavy, yo? What is heavy, yo? Don't play with the little booties. Don't play with the little booties.
Wait. I say about this you. Thank you. Yeah, okay.
What you do?
Picture.
Oh, no, I'm good, brother. I was just pointing out your setup. I like it for real.
Yeah.
I'm good, brother.
You're in TikTok live. And let them on YouTube. When you go home, got this one, full introduction, and then you will see yourself. Take the picture and tap that place. moun chita là, écoutez là. Wow. Tout le monde chita là.
Act up. Act up. Act up.
Hey! Aye!
If it's your birthday, if it's your birthday, if it's your birthday, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Where my Gemini's at? He's celebrating a birthday right here. Where my Cancers at?
Kansas, we up next. Oh,
Make some room for the Cancers, y'all.
oh. Even if it's not your birthday, you better do it like it's your birthday.
It's my birthday every day. That's called self-love right there. I'm a self-love practicer. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Specialize in loving myself. It's my vibe right here.
Busy body, busy tonight.
What's up, busybody?
Busy body, busy tonight.
We still celebrating Pride. Happy Pride!
Joanna. Joanna.
I heard they had Drew Hill, man. Hey, Baltimore, let's get your out of town family enjoying themselves. Shout out to the nigga. Shout out to the DC. Coming down here, DC.
What's up, TC?
PG County and Maryland is here. New York is here. They came from New York.
Sorry. Nico, on va le devant, ça va en aller. Here they have what we call a VIP. This is a VIP lounge here. So people are taking their VIP. So serious here. That's a VIP section where people under a big tent. Cababuayo, you have enjoyed that too, all right. You can see, guys. Yeah. That's they call the VIP section here. Mucha you have this right there too. Là, on a mangé, il y a manger, il y a drink, il y a tout bagaille là. Il y a drink, manger, tout bagaille. Il y a côté pour you. That's how the VIP section works. Nico! Guys, it seems that back at Memale, there you are. When I'm there? Okay.
So I could have swore I thought we was ready to keep
I think so.
he came back right here fast.
He's so crowded. Let's go. Follow me, okay? Let's go. Somebody looks so tired. Are you? You hot, right? Okay, follow me, Nico.
What's your leg, bro?
Yes. All right. That's the VIP, guys. People are doing VIP. And you sit. You're not it. Packet bunch, yeah? So many. So this, I am so glad that I came because that gives me an idea of what I need to bring with me, specifically when you have this type of event. So I need definitely a tent, I need several chairs, plus I do need to have an extra person to be with us because me and Nico, we cannot really do the floor and leave all our equipment unattended. So therefore, we are going to need a volunteer. So every time we are going to go and do this type of events, we need somebody, doesn't matter female or male, to come with us. Food will be on us, shelter will be on us, and then probably we'll give you a stipend. Okay? Your job is to make sure that you watch our back, all right, watch our equipment. All right, when people need information, get our information outside, give people our cards and everything. So that's what I need to do. Hi, how are you guys? Before, when I was doing it, there weren't that many people here. So now it seems that everybody is coming. Now it's going to be 7 o'clock, or it's already 7. So, Munyo Abde Bake Sunula and Grand Machette. All right. So we do not want to get caught off with the traffic in our way back. So therefore, we are going to exit a little bit early because I just heard that Patti LaBelle will not be playing tonight. It's going to be tomorrow. Huh? Going this way? Patti LaBelle will not go into the fight. It's going to be tomorrow. What was in Badger? One Nico. You can drop clear. Nico, we go soon over. Elle a bon clair là même là. Elle a mené comme là qui est clair. Yes, as I was saying, guys, if you want to be volunteering with us when we have activities like this, just let us know. Doesn't matter if you are male or female, you can come along with us, okay? Because we need somebody to sit down to mind our equipment. Probably if you are good also, you can even be on camera. You can have the microphone instead of me talking, you will be there when explaining what's going on. That's what I'm saying it is. So I plan to travel all over the world, but specifically when I'm in United States, if you guys have no problem, and we have some free time. Nico! You think I've been up and one? Right, Nico?
All the way here
yes.
from East Baltimore, okay?
Yeah. Oh, Nico, when we go to our cars, look at where they are. They're not the machine now.
I came all the way
So
from
what's it?
Green now, so I'm having fun in West Baltimore. Oh, wow. Y'all ready for more performers?
We gonna keep rolling with it.
Yeah. Marché là, notre activité là. Guys, I hope that, listen, I won't be able to see the comments. I will not be able to see the comments, guys. because I am on a monopod and then it is very high. So mba même mwe caméra même. Mba même mwe téléphone moi. C'est sans les mettre li pour me capable ba nous un view of what's going on. All right guys. Nous capable boire là. Ouh. Nous capable boire Jean la charger avec nous. Definitely. Definitely, guys. This is truly a success here. Alright. On va t'accommoder que si t'as un black comme ça dans la zone. That's Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore, Maryland. Il y a des gens qui sont de l'autre côté quand je suis sorti là. Oh, regardez. Regardez l'autre là. Nico! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Bitch, you a police officer. That's what I'm saying. That's why I turned around.
Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Il y a des gens qui chita dans des air conditionnés. Ça sont air conditionnés. I like your hairstyle, very nice. Vous faites mesdames des compliments, c'est tous les dames qui ont les cheveux naturels. Et même quand vous me dites, depuis son fille qui a les cheveux naturels, je vais toujours faire un compliment. On va pour m'encourager. Nico! Bon, des gros bruits là et ça fait que si nous t'attendons. Guys, you see how many people here? Tout jeunes, là, d'Israël. Nico! Ooh. Nico! Bon, ouais, enfin, moi, pour take off. Et pas quoi de me aider, mais dans l'opérative là, sur l'opérative là, l'opérative n'est plus beau. Faut entendre pour me capable de faire un view, man. Ou courir aller. Montez là pour faire une photo pour me voir exactement qui ça gagne là, man. Regardez-moi, regardez-moi, regardez-moi. Ça c'est une section, oui, guys. This is one section. C'est une section. Okay? That is truly one section. Nico! Je l'ai Nico dans la bouche, là, fait photo. T'es chargé avec tu fais ça. Ouh! Wow! That's the main stage, guys. There are two stages. Nico, non! You good? Nous voyons dehors là, vous pouvez regarder les gens qui sont là. I'm telling you guys, un peu de monde qui est là, dans la chaise, ça vient à écrire, ça vient à drinker. So my hope and my wish pour l'autre année, pour avoir un groupe haïtien qui mette tête ensemble. Nico, which way? Ok. C'est exit, on exit, guys. Nous allons dans la deuxième stand là, on a juste allé dans la machine là. Oh, on va aller là, ok. Ouais, mettez les bagages dans la net. I wish, guys. On va regarder les gens qui sont là. This is a joke. So many people here. Watch me, Nico. Make sure que vous suivez comme mieux. This is somebody with a. Yeah. Somebody with
People, y'all gotta move up.
somebody with avec somebody with a snake. Somebody with a snake. Yeah, so if you have a snake, you know, c'est pour manger, charger manger là. Wow. This is what it takes and look at now. Et tu peux nous là pour juste 9h du soir. Ah ouais. Juste 9h du soir. On va regarder tous les deux bords. Nico, this way? Okay. The kids zone. Okay. Là, on fait l'autre bord. Ouais. Vous êtes capable d'avoir une idée. Vous êtes capable d'avoir une idée, guys. Surely, it is very amazing. The thing is that for nous to faire what we call the stream and all the platforms, internet nous pas qu'à pousser stream là, parce que get trop monde là, get trop monde là. Look, the guy is making, wow, he's making papaya juice. Get trop monde. Trop monde dans zone là. Trop monde dans zone là, guys. Too many people here. Ouais. Obligé. Allez, nous obligé relax. Pour nous faire ça, pour nous faire. Ah ouais. Hey. So many people on cell towers, so the cell towers become very weak. C'est dans de Belgrade. Mesdames qui regardent, c'est dans de Belgrade là. C'est dans de Belgrade. Vous connaissez. C'est dans de Belgrade. Sells $25. Look at that. Oh, on a watché. Regardez. How are you, my man? How much you ask for this dress? Oh, 50. Okay. Very nice. They want $50 for this dress, guys. Very good. It's a nice dress. See? Pour mesdames, je me pose des questions pour nous parce que je connais qu'il y a un pile de mesdames qui regardent moi. Définitivement parlant, nous avons connaître combien de bagages. So vendors. You go tell me mama.
What about, can I?
The sacred space. Hi ladies, how are you? I am on TikTok live. Do you guys mind if I were to ask you some questions?
I can't hear the questions right now.
Oh, you shy?
Yes, I'm there.
You the one who did all this?
The artist isn't here right now, but I'm representing her.
You representing her?
Yes.
So do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Okay, sure.
You on TikTok live though?
All right, that's beautiful.
Okay. First of all, introduce yourself to my friends.
Hi there, my name is Angeline Jones, the owner of The Sacred Space, and today I am representing Art by Tosh, an amazing self-taught artist here in the state of Maryland.
State of Maryland. So that's your joint, that's yours.
Yeah,
You are the owner.
I am the owner of The Sacred Space.
But you are not, are you an artist too?
I am an artist as well. I'm an abstract artist, but this is different. Yeah.
Somebody has work.
Yes, this
So
is
your
someone
work
else's
is not
work.
displayed here.
My work is displayed here through my jewelry.
Oh, you do jewelry also.
I make jewelry, yes.
So beside you do canvas and jewelry.
So I do, but my canvas aren't here, but Art by Tosh's canvas are.
Okay.
Yes.
So what made you become an artist?
That's a really good question. I just enjoy creativity. That is one of my purposes here in life. So I was like, let me just go ahead and dive into some acrylics. I also deal with resin and alcohol ink.
Okay. So basically this is the only venue that you generate and then come for yourself, or do you have something else you're doing? besides
So
that?
I am also an energy worker. So I'm a Reiki practitioner and a meditation practitioner. I also do a lot of peer guidance as well. So I do make money
you
off
do
of
make
that
money
too.
off this.
Yeah,
all
yeah,
right.
yeah.
All
But
right.
it's not about the money. It's about helping people.
Helping people.
Yeah, let's make that clear.
All right. Frankly speaking, it's my first time coming here.
Oh, very nice.
So I never knew there was such a big event here.
Really?
And I am so very delighted to see so many of my own kind here.
Yeah, it's
so
the
it seems that I'm
49th
on
year.
my element. I didn't know there were
100%.
so many people,
Black people?
black people in Baltimore.
Yeah, this is our city. Black folks
It is
run
mostly black.
Baltimore.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. We're predominantly black. That's very important. But you got some other races and cultures mixed in, which makes it nice and great, a melting pot as of sorts. Yeah.
So what is your impression of this event today?
Oh, so I've been coming to AFRAM since I was a child. So me actually being on the business end is amazing. I get to represent my business in a city that I grew up in. So yeah, it's a full circle thing.
So let me ask you more, not a personal note, any business note. Now let's say that next year I want to get a space like this.
Yeah.
And then to sell Haitian food.
Yeah.
Or anything.
Yeah.
How much will I be looking for?
That's a really good question. I think the prices vary every year, but I do know the food truck vendors and like the restaurants, they do pay a pretty penny to be here, but I think it's worth it because it's thousands of people here today.
Okay, it's more than 40,000.
Yeah, see, so I mean, if you got some really good food, you can make a pretty
So let's
penny.
say for something like this, how much someone will look to pay?
I mean, it could run you about $500 to $700.
Oh.
Yeah, because you have to take in consideration insurance, your booth fee, but it doesn't even stop
They
there.
want you to have insurance? Or
Yes,
they
you
provide you insurance?
you must have insurance. Actually, you have to provide a certificate of insurance to even be
You
here.
have to do that. But are there like organizations that sell you that insurance for one day?
That's a really good question. Through the platform that we use, yes, it offered an insurance, but you can also get an insurance by yourself.
Or by yourself? All right. So I wish you much success.
I appreciate
All
that.
right,
Thank
so
you.
Thank you for spending your time and talk to me.
Most definitely.
All
Have
right.
a good day.
They have some nice clothes here too.
I appreciate. Yeah, the
Yeah, they
vendor,
do.
she's right inside. I definitely speak to them.
Yes.
They're dope.
Yeah, very good. Yes, ça c'est jeune entrepreneur black. Haitian Lakai.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Very pretty.
Thank you, love.
Hey, when you go home, you should give your mother or your dad a big hug.
Oh,
They did such a nice job on you.
Oh, you're
Now,
so sweet,
do
love.
you mind talking to me?
Yeah,
Oh, well, okay, wait now. This is Pauline's production
For who?
for my company, Pauline's
Oh, word.
production.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, as you can see,
Uh-huh.
traveling the world.
A Haitian brother.
That's right. My
you know
job
what?
is to travel all over the world
Uh-huh.
to bring awareness to our culture,
Okay.
our heritage, and then to make sure to let people know that we Asian, we are here,
Hey.
and then we are here to do good things.
Okay, I can dig it.
So, parle créole bientôt?
no.
It's a little bit-
I can understand.
Yeah, okay, that's good, that's good. So I don't mind because,
My sister can speak French though.
oh,
So
not
she's a little
French
bit
or
better.
Creole?
French.
French.
Yeah.
But
I know.
usually Asians say French, and then when you start talking to them, and they talk to you in Creole.
Yeah, they do.
So remember, Creole and French are two different
Yes.
languages.
No, she can speak French.
She can speak French.
I can
Okay.
understand both.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Were you born here or in Haiti?
Here in
Here.
the States.
In the state. Where?
Yeah,
in
Chicago.
Balti- or Chicago?
Yeah.
What made you land here?
Oh, we actually traveled from Atlanta for this festival.
From Atlanta.
Yeah.
I
So we
was-
traveling all the different festivals.
I was in Atlanta for the Caribbean Carnival.
Oh, word?
Were you
Oh,
there?
nice. No, I wasn't there. It was probably at another event. Because there's always so many events happening that same weekend.
next year, make sure you're there because after I went there,
Uh-huh.
and then me and Mary Licita, and then we decided to set up a Asian Carnival committee.
Oh,
So
word.
we want to be part of it next year.
Okay, I
So
can
make
dig
sure
it.
make sure you get as much information.
Okay.
So tell me, what is your impression? Because since you left Atlanta, is it your first time?
Yeah,
This event?
last weekend was our first time in Baltimore because we came from Baltimore Pride, and then we stayed another week for this event.
What is it about Baltimore Pride? I don't know about that.
Oh yeah, it's a Pride festival, and so they just have the celebrations and stuff like that for the
Okay.
community.
For the community?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then you stay over for this year? So
Yes,
those are yours?
Oh, thank you so much, boo.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
So are you selling stuff too here?
Yeah, this is my business.
So what are you? Are you an artist? Look at your jewelry. You make them?
So I'm a full-time entrepreneur. So some of it is sourced, some we make, and some we have made for us.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So you are a full-blown entrepreneur.
Full-time entrepreneur. Yeah, me and my sister run the
So
company.
you work for yourself?
Yes.
You don't work for nobody?
I don't work for anybody.
So how is it being an entrepreneur? What advice can you give my viewers who are watching us here?
Well, entrepreneurship is a roller coaster, so it has its highs and its lows.
Okay.
It's a great time when it's great, and then there are those moments where you second guess everything, but you have to keep pushing no matter what.
All right. So it seems that you do mostly events like this.
Yes.
So every
yeah.
time there are events like this, and then you're ready to go.
Yes, and we're traveling all over, so we're just slowly but surely making our way to different places.
So for the booth, how much did you pay them for you to get a space like
I
this?
think that was like $650.
$650.
Yeah.
And then you have. She told me that you have to have insurance too.
Yes.
You do
Yeah,
have
but we
insurance?
automatically have it because we do so many festivals. Because like literally every single weekend. Because like the first weekend of the month we were in Pittsburgh, and then we made our way to DC, and then Baltimore, and then Baltimore again, and then next weekend we're going to be in Minnesota.
Oh, I'm going to be in Pittsburgh on July 5th.
Oh, word,
Because
okay.
there is a Caribbean Carnival, July 5th in Pittsburgh. So you have all the calendar then.
Yes.
So I'm going to get your contact, and then I need you to send me those calendars. Because my job, as long as there's
Well,
something.
I'm not always at the Caribbean ones though, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm usually at some of the regular ones.
Oh, regular ones. Oh, you don't do Caribbean
Hey,
ones?
Booms, come check me out real quick. Okay.
Yes. Oh, I'm not going to keep
no,
you
you're good,
much
you're good.
because I know. Hi, how are you?
Good. And I can cash for the.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
And then you can contact me here.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm gonna
I
follow
did.
you once I get connection, because the connection's bad right now.
I know, because that's what I've been telling.
Yeah.
So take some pictures. Let me hold this here. So
Hey, you
Nico.
never send them to me?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link, and then you'll be able to do what you're supposed to do.
Okay, and it's at Sincerely Fearless.
Okay, no, I'll send you the link to this here.
Okay, appreciate you, love. It was great.
Wow,
meeting
look
you,
at it.
friends.
So this is actually a hearing.
No, those are not hearing aids, but they're whistles.
Oh, whistles.
But they're multifunctional.
You sure?
Fashion and I guess you could say celebration.
Celebration.
Yeah.
So you are celebrating us, right?
Yeah.
Definitely,
They give
definitely.
more power. They give
Let
more power.
me see. Let me show my viewers the. Look, this is what she's buying, guys. She's buying.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you going to put it really? Wearing it?
Yeah, put it in the ear. They're light too, so you
Yeah,
know
light.
they're not gonna be uncomfortable at all.
Oh yeah.
so much, bro.
Thank you.
People gonna look at you and they're gonna laugh.
Yeah, that is no problem. That's the point.
That's the point. That's the point.
Exactly.
Gotta live a little.
I got it. They're jellyfish ones, and the jellyfish ones. Every time I wear them, people are like, "Oh my gosh, I love your earrings."
Yeah.
I'm like, you
Okay.
know what? As soon as I saw your booth, I had to stop by.
Thank you so much, bro.
Take care.
Have a
Yes.
good one.
Enjoy. Yeah, that was very
so
nice.
much, friends.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. So for taking the time and to talk to me.
Absolutely, love.
Definitely, you will be seeing me. You're supposed to follow me on TikTok, on YouTube, and Instagram.
Okay.
Because I will be
You
doing.
have Instagram too?
I do.
Okay, awesome. I'll follow you there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Because of my phone, I'm doing the live. Otherwise, I would have given you my
Oh,
my
gotcha.
contact.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I was able to screenshot it, so.
A screenshot everything.
I
So
appreciate
guys,
you.
that's how I will do the live.